Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today I'm showing you a Cypress Green Metallic 2015 GMC Terrain SLT, stock number A6987. You've got factory fog lights and a beautiful chrome grille here. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a chrome rim that is wrapped in an 18-inch Michelin Latitude tire. Inside there is a power sunroof, and you have a black leather upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger train. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a trailer hitch here. You do also have a backup camera. There is a power liftgate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. As you can see, it's very clean inside. The second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this GMC today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the inside of the driver's door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Pioneer Premium audio system. You've got power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. And as we take a step inside, on the left of the steering wheel here, you have cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Up above the rear view mirror, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons, and this is also equipped with OnStar. Coming down to the center, there's this great touchscreen display. This is where your backup camera will show. As you can see, you've got capabilities for navigation, XM satellite radio, Pandora radio, and Stitcher Smart Radio. There's also a CD player and AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There are buttons for heated front row seating and driver information buttons. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You've got a 3.6-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 23 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this GMC or to schedule your test drive, visit holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.